Yeah, man, the loads, you know. Me I walk and, you know, I look around them flowers here. I like them one year. See them? I like them. I'm going to look if they have roses. Because normally they have roses. I like the roses. Yeah, man, roses is good. Me have a lot of roses still, you know. Yeah, man, around here, so me come last year and get a lot of roses. See them over there, so. See them there, so. Yeah, man, lots of roses, you know. Yeah, go around on the other side and get the roses, them. Yeah, man. See the roses section up here, so. And it's nice. This look like mint, but I know mint are flowers. See it there? Yeah, man, are flowers. Wait, let me see. Me not see the roses then. Around here, so me come and come get them. A whole of roses me buy around here, so you know. Oh, see them here, but they're small. See them here? The roses, but then small. My roses them big and this, me like this. Yeah, man, me like that. Them roses they're too tiny. Yeah, man, enough time I come around here and just walk and say, me buy this one here. $3 and take it home. And guys, the whole time it grow. After winter come up, it just grow. Or in the winter, it just grow and not like that take over a whole garden. Me have to just not bother with it. I like these too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, may I tell you when. And these nice. Me have one now, but it look like winter kill out it. This year winter bad enough. It messed up me the garden. Bad. Like it kill off the whole life flowers them. And me did have a lot. When you look at a lot of flowers that I have, so many flowers. Oh my God, flowers. But they all died. I don't know. They just died.